In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new friends on the Monopoly Go game. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to add friends, tap on to friends option just right here at the bottom. Tap on it. Then here you can find the add friends option. Now to add friends, you can simply invite them. Now tap on to invite and you can simply invite them by the link or the Facebook. And you can also invite right here. Now tap on to invite just like this and the friend request invitation will be sent to them. And after they accept your friend request, they can simply add you and you will be friends in the Monopoly Go game. And you can also search the friend by their friend code just right here and tap on to search. And after doing this, the friends profile will be shown to you and you can simply invite them. And that's it. This is how you can add new friends on the Monopoly Go game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.